Since I was a child, I've been passionate about drawing wild birds. Every line, every shade of color that nature bestows upon them never ceases to amaze me. To me, birds are not just flying creatures. They are symbols of freedom, delicacy, and timeless beauty. Among the hundreds of bird species I've sketched, one always evokes a special emotion whenever I put pen to paper. The Wilson's bird of paradise, Cicinnurus respublica. This bird seems to have stepped out of a fantasy world with its incredible plumage and unique form. The male boasts a glowing turquoise crown that looks like a neon light, a bright crimson back, a vibrant yellow belly, and most strikingly a pair of curled violet tail feathers shaped like spirals, utterly unique among birds. They exist only on two remote islands, Waigeo and Batanta, off the coast of West Papua, Indonesia, isolated, pristine places that are challenging to reach. To draw such a rare and stunning species as the Wilson's bird of paradise is both an enchanting and humbling experience. I have to carefully study every photo and rare documentary footage available, striving to capture its vivid expressions, keen eyes, and the confident charm it displays during courtship rituals. My passion for bird illustration has brought me closer to nature and made me more aware of the biological treasures that are slowly disappearing. And the Wilson's bird of paradise, with its surreal beauty, is an endless source of inspiration in my artistic journey. Wilson's bird of paradise, the living jewel of Papua's rainforests. The Wilson's bird of paradise, Cicinnurus respublica, is one of the most striking and unusual members of the bird of paradise family, Paradisaeidae. With its vibrant plumage, elaborate courtship behavior, and limited geographic range, this bird is considered a living jewel of the tropical rainforests on remote Indonesian islands. Beyond its stunning beauty, the Wilson's bird of paradise holds immense value in terms of science, conservation, and cultural heritage. Geographic distribution. Wilson's bird of paradise is endemic to a very limited area. Found only on two small islands, Waigeo and Batanta, in the province of West Papua, Indonesia. These islands lie off the northwest coast of New Guinea and are home to pristine tropical rainforest ecosystems. The bird typically inhabits lowland and hill forests at elevations below 1,000 meters above sea level. Due to its highly restricted and isolated distribution, the species is particularly vulnerable to environmental disturbances such as deforestation, illegal hunting, and climate change. Distinctive physical features. Wilson's bird of paradise is among the most visually striking species in the bird of paradise family. Its vibrant color contrasts, compact form, and ornate plumage make it instantly recognizable. Size: adult males average between 16 and 21 centimeters in length, making this one of the smaller bird of paradise species. Coloration: males exhibit brilliant and contrasting colors, an emerald green crown, with a distinctive bald patch of bright sky blue skin on the top of the head, a rare feature in birds. The back and tail are a glowing crimson red, while the chest and belly are deep velvety black. The two spiral tail feathers are a signature trait, curling like coiled springs. Females, by contrast, are smaller and brown-colored, lacking the showy traits of males. This helps them blend into the forest understory and avoid predators. This pronounced sexual dimorphism is a result of sexual selection, where males compete for female attention through visual displays and elaborate dances. Unique courtship and breeding behavior. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Wilson's bird of paradise is its elaborate mating ritual. The male selects a specific spot in the understory or forest floor, carefully cleaning away leaves and debris to create a stage for display. When a female approaches, the male performs an intricate courtship dance, hopping, bobbing his head, flaring his wings, and dramatically displaying his colorful plumage, especially the two spiraled tail feathers. These courtship performances are not merely about mating, they are a vivid illustration of sexual selection and the complexity of animal behavior. Habitat and diet. This species primarily inhabits moist, lowland rainforest with dense canopy, cover, and diverse vegetation. They typically stay in the mid to lower levels of the forest away from human activity. Their diet consists mostly of fruits, especially figs, small insects, and other invertebrates. Their ability to consume both plant and animal matter allows them to adapt to seasonal changes in food availability within their rainforest habitat. Conservation status, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Wilson's bird of paradise is classified as near threatened due to its limited range and growing threats from human activities. Major concerns include deforestation for agriculture and logging. Illegal hunting, although less common, persists due to demand from collectors and the illegal pet trade. Climate change, which impacts food sources and breeding sites. Various international and local conservation groups are working to protect the species' habitat through protected reserves, community education, and scientific research into wild populations. 6. Ecological role and cultural significance. Like many birds of paradise, Wilson's bird plays a vital role in the rainforest ecosystem. As fruit eaters, they help disperse seeds throughout the forest, contributing to plant diversity and forest regeneration. Culturally, indigenous communities in Papua consider birds of paradise symbols of purity and the spiritual world. From colonial times to the present, their images have appeared in traditional art, ceremonial dress, and local legends. Today, they are also used in ecotourism and national pride campaigns, helping raise awareness about biodiversity and conservation. Scientific discovery and significance. The Wilson's bird of paradise was first scientifically described in 1863 by British naturalist George Robert Gray. Its Latin name, Cicinnurus respublica, translates roughly to citizen of the republic, likely meant as a tribute to the natural freedom and untamed beauty of the species. The species became internationally known after natural historian Sir David Attenborough captured the first high-quality footage of its courtship display. These documentary films have helped the bird gain global attention and underscore the importance of preserving its natural habitat. Conclusion: the Wilson's bird of paradise is more than just an exquisite example of evolutionary art. It represents the fragile beauty of Southeast Asia's rainforests. With its dazzling plumage and captivating behaviors, it continues to intrigue scientists and inspire nature lovers worldwide. However, this beauty is under threat. Without timely and effective conservation efforts, we risk losing not only this species but the intricate web of life it supports. Protecting the Wilson's bird of paradise is also protecting a vital piece of our planet's natural heritage, where every creature, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Living in harmony with nature is not only a beautiful way of life, but also a means for people to regain inner balance in today's stressful world. Among the simplest and most effective ways to reconnect with nature every day is by conserving and attracting wild birds to our gardens, balconies, or rooftops. One gentle yet meaningful activity is feeding birds. This not only provides wild birds with additional nourishment, especially during dry or cold seasons when food is scarce, but also helps build trust, encouraging them to come closer to humans. Just a few small trays with seeds, ripe fruits, or clean water placed in the garden corner or on a balcony can create a welcoming environment filled with vibrant colors and cheerful chirping. Living close to birds teaches us many valuable lessons: the freedom in their flight, the patience in nest building, and the care they show one another. It's also a wonderful way for children to learn more about the natural world, develop compassion for animals, and become more aware of the importance of environmental protection. Additionally, planting native plants, flowering species, or trees with small fruits is a great way to create a sustainable habitat for birds. Avoiding harmful pesticides and maintaining a quiet space are also essential factors in making birds feel safe and at home. By dedicating even a small part of our lives to caring for and observing birds, we not only contribute to biodiversity, conservation, but also nurture a peaceful soul in tune with the natural world. A home where birds sing every morning is truly a home full of life.